What's up? Papa up in the house. Yeah, man. So check it out, check it out. Got 2 pieces of MDF for the low. Yeah, man. They actually had a little bit of damage on the side, so if you go like to Home Depot or someone like that and you see damaged pieces or something like that, they'll discount them for you. You know what I'm saying? So I got 2 pieces. Each piece was 70% off. Can't beat that, can you? And all I needed probably was like 1.5, but either way, you know, I got them both. Do something else with them too. Yeah, man. That's what happens when you don't check the depth of your goddamn saw blade. So now that I got all the pieces cut, all of those are pretty much on point. Yeah. So let's go ahead and start putting the box together so we can take a look at it. So if you look, this kind of holds it in place so you can drive a screw in right here. And then I'll put it over on this side. And we're all evened up on the edge. So I'll put a pocket hole screw in here to hold that in. And then I'll put another one to hold this in. And then I'll go ahead and go up under the bottom and attach the rest of the fasteners. So this is what we're looking like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do some caulk on the inside just to make sure it's all nice and sealed. Be some black caulk. All right, so now I got to figure out where this stack port's going to be, or in conjunction to where the speakers is going to sit, like right there above the bottom piece, and we'll put the port dead smack in the middle. So here's the box right now. It's almost complete. So we got the second baffle going in. Boom. 15s will sit back there. The port will be in there. So the port is drying more. Then I went ahead and painted the stripper pole orange. You may ask why. I don't know. Maybe because I had a can of orange paint I want to use. So went ahead and did that. And the port is still drying. So now, and we got the back wall painted. Just take a look. So now we got to get the top baffle on and everything braced down, and then put the final baffle on, and then the box will actually be, the outer shell will be complete. So I got the box sitting on its side because I ended up drilling in and messing up my bottom hole, which is not going to be a big deal. But so what I did, I learned a little trick from my boy 210 Designs, and put a little sawdust in here and some glue, and I stuffed it all in there, and now I got it clamped. So if you look, it's probably gonna seal up real nice, be like it never happened. So appreciate the idea, Mr. 210 Designs. So moving on to the next thing. Look at them braces. And I ain't talking about the ones in the mouth. Ooh. Yeah. So the best way to get rid of these is with a dovetail bit, but we got something like this. Bam! All I gotta do is just sand that down real good. We're good to go. But anyways, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.